Assalamu alaikum class 4. Hopefully you all will be fine. This is your mathematics class and I am your teacher Miss Subia. So today I am give you the introduction related to your book, workbook, and some topic we will discuss. Alright. So see, this is your book, Primary Mathematics book 4, and this is your workbook, Primary Mathematics 4A. As you know, 4A book we will cover in first term, mid-term of the assessment, and the 4B book we will complete it inshallah in the final term. Alright. So first of all, I would like to give the content, give you the syllabus related to the chapters which will coming in the first term. Chapter number 1, number 200,000, multiplication and division, fractions, symmetry, angles, transition and translations. Alright, these are the chapters, and the squares and rectangles. These are the chapters which we will cover inshallah in the mid-term or first term, you can say. And related to the workbook, we will cover inshallah the exercises and the questions related to these topics. Okay, now come to the chapter number 1, which is number 200,000. Alright. So when you talk about the numbers, so you must know the place value. In the previous classes you have learned the place value chart, but the thing is that in the previous classes you have done the place value chart related to 1000, but here you have the 100,000 or 10,000 is also there. So first of all, see, the first position is of course in ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, and then 10,000, and after 10,000 you have 100,000. Alright. So see the position after 10,000, how many place values are there? To see 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 5 you will write 4 zeros, and of course you know it, after 1000 you have 3 zeros, after 100 you have 2 zeros, and after tens you have 1 zero only. And see, I have just give you the place value chart with the help of colors. As you see here, the 5 position 10,000 is there, so I have shown with the green color, and then 1000 there are 3,000s are there with the green, blue, and then 100 and tens of course. So when you talk about this is 53,417, and when you write it in a form of system like this, so how you will mention it? You will write it after 5, you will mention it 5 10,000, then you will make a plus sign, and then come to the position 3,000, and then 400, and 1 tens, and then 7 ones. So when you talk about the 5 10,000, so how many zeros are coming? You see the 4 zeros are coming, and then after 1000 3 zeros are coming, and then after 100 you have 2 zeros, and after 10 you have 1 zero, and in the ones position you have no zero. So if you have write it in a counting way, so you will first you have the 5, and then 3, and then zeros will come, and then you can write it 417. Alright, in this way you can just write the numbers 200,000 if you are putting in a form of place value like this. Okay. Now come to the page number 1, where the chapter is just started here, numbers 200,000, and they are just showing you how can you estimate the number of people that can be seated in a stadium. As you know, the stadium, the rows are given to you. Of course, if the rows, how many rows are there, or you know it, the stadium, the rows of the people are there, so you must count it in a way like this. So in this way you can easily find out the number of people in the stadium. Alright. Now come to this page number 2. Here they are just giving you the introduction which I have given to you when you are just representing in a form of digits. After digit, how many zeros are coming in a position of 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. So see this example. When 4 10,000 they are talking about, so they are just writing 4 10,000 means 1,000. Remember, whenever they are talking about the 1,000, 3 zeros are there, and here 4 10,000 means, so 10, in 10 you have 1 zero, so they are writing 4, then 0 for the 10, and then the 3 zeros for the 1,000. Here the 3,000, so they are writing 3 and then 3 zeros, and then of course 5, then 200, and then 6, then 1 0, and of course after 7 no zeros are there, because this is the position of ones. So in this way you are just mentioning the position of the numbers which are giving in the place value. All right. Okay. Here again they are showing you the value of the digit 4 is 40,000. Like this, they are just counting how many zeros are coming after 4, after 3, after 5, 6 and 7. So when you write it in a form of words, so you can write it 43,567. 43,567. Okay. Now again they are showing you 14359. So again you will use it, the place value table, and then put the numbers like this. In a position of ones you have 9, in a position of tens you have 5, in a position of 100 you have 3, and in a position of 1,000 you have 4, and then 10 position you have 1. So when you are going to write it, you will just write it 1 10,000 means you are just multiplying 1 with 10,000, so it will become 1, and then 4 zeros, and then 4 3 zeros, and then 3 2 zeros, and then 5 1 0, and of course after 9 or in one position no zeros are coming. So when you write it in a form of words, it will become 14,359. So you will write this in your book. And then you have the two more questions related to this, which you have to just here mention it. What is the number represented by the set of number disk? Write the numbers in the numeral and in words. So you will write the numbers in the numeral by yourself, this question number 2 in your homework, and just revise the topic, and we will meet inshallah in next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.